I'll show you how you can disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. On Messenger, you want to go to Menu. On Menu, go to Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find Privacy and Safety. Tap on Privacy and Safety. On Privacy and Safety, go to End-to-end Encrypted Chats. On here, tap on Message Storage. On Message Storage, you want to go ahead and tap on Turn off Secure Storage. Now, do note that any new end-to-end encrypted messages won't be backed up remotely, and this will technically disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Tap on Continue. Once that's done, you can see now Secure Storage is off. Now, there's one thing we need to do, which is to delete Secure Storage. You want to go ahead and tap on Delete Secure Storage. Tap on Continue. Once that's done, now end-to-end encryption won't be saved anywhere on your device and it will be turned off. If you want to re-enable, you will have to go ahead and tap on Turn on Secure Storage once more.